My name is Helen Fairman. I own a property in Cambridge that I lived in for over 20 years, but I now rent out. I actually work in clean energy and the climate sector and have done that for 20 years. While I lived in the property, I steadily fixed it up over the years, and then I did more of a big renovation before renting it out. The building itself is over 100 years old. In starting a project like this, I think it's really important to educate yourself so that you have a sense for what's available. Clean Energy Lives Here is a great website to learn about a lot of technologies that are available and how they work with different kinds of homes. My next step was Mass Save, which is really the necessary starting point for any of these projects that rely on incentives, of which there are many and they are large. So it's well worth going to Mass Save, signing up. They will set you up with a home energy assessment, and that helps you identify where there are opportunities for saving energy in your home and to prioritize those. So that's a great way to get started. And I would advise anyone trying to undertake a project like this to start with the educational resources and then go to Mass Save.